Good morning student, I am Gopi Kumar Srivastava from ISO Sudhamti. In this video we are discussing the chapter number 1, the financial statement of not-for-profit organization. We already discussed about this chapter. Now we are discussing about the objective question of not-for-profit organization or multiple choice questions of this chapter. So the first multiple choice question of NPO is, the first question is, the receipt and the payment account generally show. Receipt and payment account generally क्या show करता है? So its first option is a debit balance, second credit balance, third surplus or deficit, or fourth capital fund. So its right answer is it show a debit balance. Receipt and payment account always show a debit balance. It means that there is always a surplus balance in the company. It means that the receipt is more than payment. It is shown by the debit balance of receipt and payment account. Now the next question is, income and expenditure account record the transaction of. First option is revenue nature only. Second option is capital nature only. Third option is both revenue and the capital nature. Third option is income of only revenue nature and the expenditure of revenue and the capital nature. First, we have to understand about the income expenditure account. Then we give the answer of these questions. Income expenditure account is a recurring types of account. It means that it always record revenue nature of transactions. Capital nature is non-recurring expenditure or income of the company. Always remember the two different between the revenue nature and the capital nature. Revenue nature is related to the revenue expenditure, that is recurring expenditure of a company or the recurring income of the company, and the other hand the capital nature reflect the capital expenditure and the capital receipt of a company, and the income expenditure account always record the revenue nature only. मतलब हमारे यहाँ जो आंसर होगा वो पहला होगा. ये हमेशा कैपिटल रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर को ही दिखाता है, रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट को ही दिखाता है. द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट रिवील. इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट क्या रिवील करता है, क्या शो करता है? द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज surplus and the deficiency. Second is cash in hand. Third is net profit. Fourth is capital account. Income expenditure always show the company's surplus and the deficiency. It means that surplus means profit and the deficiency means the losses suffered from a company. That means the first option, option number A, is the right answer. Surplus and the deficiency shown by revealed by income expenditure account always. Now we have the fourth question. The amount of subscription received from the member by a not-for-profit organization is shown in the which of the following. So first we have to understand about the subscription. Subscription is like a chanda, and it is income for a company, and it is shown in the income expenditure of credit side. So this is income for a company, so it always shown on the credit side. Every expenditure will be shown, every loss will be shown on the debit side, and every income and every gain are shown on the credit side. So its right answer is answer number B, credit side of the income expenditure account. Subscription received is shown by the member. The fifth question is the donation received for a special purpose. There are two types of donation. One is general donation and the second is specific types of donation. And in the question, specific types of donation is discussed. So we have to understand what is the meaning of specific types of donation and the general types of donation. General type of donation is income for a not-for-profit organization because it is generally received as a receipt and as an income of a company. it is received from the member or other side, other public outside also. And the specific types of donation is a liability for a company because this donation are specific. Some donation are given to the firm, to the firm not to the not for profit organization for the construction of building, for the construction of playground, for the construction of sport, purchase of sport material. So if donation are given with the some specific purpose, at that time these types of donation is known as specific types of donation. So the right answer is donation received for a specific purpose is B, should be credited to the separate account and shown in the balance sheet of the liability side. It is always shown as a separate क्रेडिट टू सेपरेट अकाउंट, इसको सेपरेट अकाउंट में आप दिखा सकते हैं और साथ में ही हम लोग इसको टुगेदर विथ सेपरेट अकाउंट वी आल्सो शो द स्पेसिफिक डोनेशन ऑन द बैलेंस शीट का लायबिलिटी में हम लोग दिखाते हैं. द सिक्स नंबर क्वेश्चन, द सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव बाय द स्कूल फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एनुअल फंक्शन इज ट्रीटेड एज. If subscription received by a school for organizing an annual function, then which types of receipt is known as subscription receipt? तो ये कौन सा receipt कहलाएगा? The first option is capital receipt, the second option is revenue receipt, third option is asset, and the fourth option is earned income. So subscription receipt by a school for an organizing an annual function is a capital receipt because it is not a non-recurring, it is not a recurring nature receipt, it is a non-recurring receipt, so it is known as capital receipt and it is shown in the liability side of balance sheet of the current year. Now the question is the amount of entrance fees received by a not-for-profit organization. Now the entrance fees is entry fees for any member in the organization. So where is entrance fees is shown in the not-for-profit organization? Let's discuss this option. First option is liability side of the balance sheet. Second is asset side of balance sheet. Third is debit side of income expense account. Fourth is credit side of income expense account. Entry fees is a income for a not-for-profit organization, so it always shown in the credit side of income expenditure account. So its answer is D. D is the right option. Out of the following item, which one is shown in the receipt and payment account? First option is outstanding salary. Second is depreciation. Third is life membership fees. Fourth is accrued subscription. Now again as understand the questions. Out of the following item, which one is shown in the receipt and payment account? इनमें से कौन receipt and payment account में हम लोग दिखाते हैं? तो we always show in the receipt and payment account that is known as life membership fees. Life membership fees is given by the member of not-for-profit organization one time to the not-for-profit organization. So it is also known as capital receipt and it is also shown in the balance sheet of the liability side and it is also shown in the receipt and payment account of the receipt side. So life membership fees is a receipt for not-for-profit organization. Now we will discuss about not-for-profit organization prepare trading account, trading and PL account, income expenditure account, all of this. So never not-for-profit organization is never prepare trading account and trading and PL account. This two option of the first two option is ignored because these two accounts are related to the profit organization, not for profit organization. So the account prepared in the not-for-profit organization is income and expenditure account and the balance sheet, but in the question in the option the balance sheet is not mentioned, so our answer is income expenditure account is prepared in the not-for-profit organization. Question number 10. The receipt and payment account is a summary of debit and the credit balance of ledger account, cash, receipt and payment account, expense and income, assets and liability. So the receipt and payment account is the summary of cash, receipt and the payment. The option B is the right option, cash, receipt and the payment. Always remember that the cash, receipt and the payment account is also known as receipt and payment summary. Now the question is, receipt and payment account is a personal account, a real account, a nominal account, real or nominal account, both. The right answer is real account. Receipt and payment account is always a real account because it shows the receipt and payment account in the cash form. Every transaction in this not for profit organization and in this receipt and payment account, we always record the cash transaction. So cash is a assets and the assets is a real account and it is shown in the real account. The next question is, income expenditure account is a personal account, real account, nominal account, or real or nominal account. So the right answer is nominal account because every income expenditure account, every income expenditure of the company is always shown in the income expenditure account, and the income expenditure account is related to the nominal account because nominal account always record incomes and expenditure of a company. So we completed the total 12 questions, and this is very important video for the objective questions. Must write this objective question because this is related to the important questions and this is very important for the purpose of exam, and this is a objective question, multiple question which chances of coming in the exam. So must write and learn this objective question. In the next video we discuss more about the multiple choice question. Thank you. Must write and learn. Thank you.